Welcome to my in-depth review of Map My Ride, a fitness website, an app designed to help cyclists, runners, and fitness enthusiasts track their workouts and achieve their goals. Upon first visiting Map My Ride, the interface strikes a balance between functionality and user-friendliness. The homepage presents quick access to your activity logs, tracking tools, and personalized recommendations. Logging in reveals an intuitive dashboard where users can easily map out routes using the GPS-based tools. Route mapping is one of Map My Ride's standout features. It allows users to draw precise paths for cycling or running while calculating distance, elevation, and estimated time. This tool is particularly valuable for those training in varied terrains, as it provides critical insights that help in planning workouts effectively. Another remarkable feature is the community-driven aspect. Map My Ride fosters a vibrant environment for fitness enthusiasts by integrating social tools. Users can join challenges, compete with friends, and share routes. This sense of community not only motivates, but also provides a platform for exchanging valuable fitness tips. The workout log function is another asset. It provides detailed metrics for every activity, including distance, pace, elevation gained, and calories burned. Users can analyze their performance trends over time, making it easier to identify areas for improvement or celebrate progress. However, there are some drawbacks. While the free version offers significant functionality, certain advanced features, such as live tracking and training plans, are locked behind a premium subscription. This might be a limitation for casual users who don't want to invest in a subscription. Additionally, occasional bugs in the route mapping tool may disrupt the user experience, especially when editing longer routes. Overall, Map My Ride excels in providing an all-encompassing platform for cyclists and runners. It combines robust tracking capabilities with community-driven motivation and comprehensive performance analytics. If you're seeking a tool to elevate your fitness routine, this app is worth exploring. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like for more honest reviews and insights.